Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be dealing with the particular errors that you may encounter after you upgraded your Linux server Ubuntu um, from the lower version to higher version. You may and may not encounter complications, but there is high possibility that you will encounter complications when you upgrade your server or you do a full backup restore. And one of the major complications that you may encounter is your ability to access the webmail or your inbox, particularly. And this particular scenario would probably apply to somebody who is familiar with Virtualmin Webmin web host management application. So if you're using Virtualmin or Webmin, then this will maybe directly related to whatever kind of issue you're experiencing, or this will be quite helpful if you're experiencing the same kind of issue. Now, if you're using Virtual Webmain, you would be familiar with the webmail application that is integrated with Webmain, which is Usermin. And this Usermin here, in this case, the error that was encountered is what you're reading right here. An error occurred listing mail in this folder. Zero failed to IPv6 connect to localhost 143 connection refused. Now for the Roundcube, because I've got a Roundcube installed to be used to access the webmail, and this is the error message that I was getting: connection to storage server failed. Now, when you put some of this error message online, you will see a lot of suggestions, a lot of recommendations, and some of them could be fatal to your overall server performance because it may not necessarily be the answer to what you are actually experiencing. So you need to be very careful when you start to run different command or different suggestions in regards to different command that you see online. So you just need to be careful in regards to that. Now, for this particular scenario, I'm just going to give a quick description of what really happened. The server was upgraded from Ubuntu 16.04 to 20.04. And after this upgrade, there were several complications. Now, all the complications have been dealt with, but after this particular webmail was not actually tested to confirm that it is working fine, but eventually, when I tried to access the webmail, the username, I encountered this error. Uh, Basically, let me see if I can zoom in. So this is the error that I encounter. You probably see something like this just right at the bottom. Now, even if your error is not exactly word for word of what you're seeing here, but it may be kind of close as well. So I received this error when I tried to log into the Roundcube. I was getting this connection to storage server failed. And one thing that I did to resolve this issue, I didn't have to run several commands. I just look at my modules. Now, when I look at the installed package, for example, you go on the system and you will see software packages. Under software packages, then you can search for the package. Just put Dove or Dovecoat. It will tell you the modules that are installed on the Dovecoat. And in my case, I could see that Dovecoat Core 2.3.72 was the only one installed. The other three were not installed. So what I did was to reinstall these three modules. And after I did that, I restarted Dovecoat server and everything came back to normal. I was able to list to see all the emails in the inbox. So this is just what you would want to check just to make sure that all the packages that are required for you to be able to view for your webmail to work um, very well, and for you to be able to see the your inbox or the emails in your inbox. Just make sure that everything has been installed correctly. So if this tutorial helps you or if you're able to get something out of this, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumb up. If you have any question in regards to using Ubuntu's Ubuntu server or using Webmin, and Virtualmin, you can always reach out to me. Just send me an email or write in the comment below, and I would respond when I'm free. I'm quite busy, so you may not get quick response from me, but anytime I'm free, I will definitely respond to you. Thank you very much. Cheers.